Thinking of traveling to Vietnam? Before you pack your bags, you need to know this. Some simple things, like flying a drone or wearing a tank top, could get you fined or in legal trouble. Here are 5 Vietnam laws every tourist must know before visiting. Hey travelers, welcome back to the channel, your source for smart travel tips and cultural insights from around the world. Today, we're diving into Vietnam's laws and local rules that surprise many tourists. Let's help you stay safe, respectful, and out of trouble. 1. Don't talk politics publicly. In Vietnam, speaking out against the government, even casually, can be taken very seriously. Political speech, protests, or criticism on social media can be considered illegal. Even sharing posts while you're in Vietnam might raise red flags. So remember, when you're in Vietnam, keep your political opinions to yourself and focus on enjoying the beautiful landscapes and rich culture that this country has to offer. 2. Dress respectfully at temples. Temples and pagodas in Vietnam are sacred spaces. Wearing sleeveless shirts, shorts, or revealing clothes can be deeply disrespectful, and in some places, you won't be allowed in at all. Travel hack: bring a lightweight scarf or long-sleeved layer if you're planning temple visits. Cover shoulders and knees. 3. Drones are regulated. Want to capture stunning aerial views? Be careful. Flying drones in Vietnam without government permission is illegal. Unauthorized drone use can result in confiscation, fines, or even arrest, especially near military zones. Travel hack: you must apply for a permit in advance if you plan to use a drone. In most cases, it's not worth the risk. 4. Always register where you stay. In Vietnam, every foreign visitor must register their address, even if you're staying with friends. Hotels handle this automatically, but if you stay in an Airbnb or private home, you or your host must report to local authorities. Travel hack: make sure your accommodation registers you. If unsure, ask your host or landlord directly. 5. Noise curfews are real. Thinking about partying late? Be aware, Vietnam enforces local noise restrictions, especially in residential areas. Loud music or group gatherings after 10 p.m. can result in complaints or fines, especially in smaller towns or quiet neighborhoods. Travel hack: keep your volume down after dark, or move the party to a proper venue with a license. Vietnam is an incredible country to explore if you respect its rules. These laws aren't here to scare you, they're here to keep your trip smooth and safe.